Click on the link below to get price. The PooLin EOC05 Embroidery Machine is designed to cater to both hobbyists and those with a more serious interest in embroidery. This model boasts a large embroidery area measuring 4 by 9.25 inches, which can be particularly advantageous for a variety of projects that require ample space for intricate designs. At first glance, the machine's layout is user-friendly, featuring a well-organized control panel that allows for easy navigation through its various functions. The display screen provides clear, concise information about the selected patterns and settings, enhancing the overall user experience. Additionally, the machine supports a range of embroidery designs, which can be easily uploaded via USB, enabling users to explore a vast collection of patterns and motifs. One of the notable features of the PooLin EOC05 is its large embroidery hoop, which provides freedom for larger projects, from decorative items to personal accessories. The adjustable hoop size allows for flexibility, accommodating different design needs. This aspect can be particularly appealing to users looking to create custom pieces or work on larger textiles. In terms of user-friendliness, this embroidery machine is equipped with several automatic functions that simplify the embroidery process. It features an automatic thread cutter, which can save time and reduce the hassle of manually cutting threads between color changes. This feature is particularly useful for complex designs with multiple colors. Additionally, the machine includes built-in tutorials, which can guide new users through the setup and operation processes, ensuring that even beginners can get started with confidence. When considering the PooLin EOC05 for various projects, users will appreciate the machine's capacity for precision and detail. The stitching quality is often commended, with clean lines and consistent tension even with intricate designs. This reliability can lead to satisfying results, making it suitable for both personal projects and gifts. In conclusion, the PooLin EOC05 Embroidery Machine presents itself as a versatile and user-friendly option for those interested in embroidery. With its ample hoop size, automatic features, and quality stitching, it stands out in a competitive market. Whether you are creating custom designs or exploring your artistic side, this machine appears to offer the necessary tools to enhance your embroidery experience.